Hello, Juju here, and welcome back for another Java tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about nested for loops. Now, a nested for loop isn't too far off from what you know of a basic for loop. It's much like if you were to take Here, let me go ahead and show you guys. So let's go ahead and set string name and set that equal to Juju. Let's go ahead and create an age 2, and Juju's age, let's go ahead and 221. But if you feel like, enter your own age. But 221 is a pretty good number. So normally, if we wanted to compare this age, we would, like we did before, last time we created if age is greater than 18 and age is less than 40, because we don't want old people, right? And we'd print out something like right? And so that is our just going to use my name here. And alright, so if you recall, we created an age, we compared ages not too long ago. Another way is, let's say you wanted to make sure they were greater than 18, but you had a bunch of these cases. Like, if they were less than, older than 18, but younger than 30, you wanted to print something out there. Or if they're older than 18 and younger than 20. So let's say they have, you want for 30, you want to say, welcome back, I don't know. And for this one, you want to say, you dog. Yeah. So, well, what you can do is, instead of always typing age and then this AND gate or AND operator or AND gate, what you can do is actually just go ahead and type if age is greater than 18, and go ahead and use your data brackets. And because we already compared the age, if we create another if statement in here, we can then go ahead and use this as a kind of like a reference. So only these if statements are possible if the age is already. So it's like grouping a bunch of the AND operators together with a common. So this is what's called a nested if statement. Now, more commonly though is a nested for loop. So what's the point of that, you're thinking? Well, let's go ahead and try this. Let's go ahead and I'm going to create a var x equal to 0 and x is less than 10, x plus plus, and I'm going to take this loop and put another loop inside it. However, I can't use the same variable name, so I'm going to actually have to change the variable. When I've done this, I can go ahead and type out system.out.println, and we want to print out x plus y. Yeah, that actually, I haven't actually tested this. Maybe I should have. We'll find out what happens. Actually, times y. That sounds better. Anyway, sorry about that. Go ahead and run it, and we get this. Okay, that we get a bunch of zeros at first, and then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like it should. But then it goes off to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and started counting by 2s. And then by 3s, and then by 4s, and then by 5s. So I guess we have, oh, and then by 9s. So basically we got ourselves a multiplication table, really. Kinda. Except that it's not a table, but a list. So that's that. So by using a for loop within a for loop, you can increase the efficiency drastically. I hope this helped you, and if it did, go ahead and give this video a like. If you have any problems or have any suggestions on what else I should cover, go ahead and drop me a message down below, and I'll get back to you. And this was Stealth Coder Juju, and hope to see you in the next tutorial.